Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samfx YouTube channel, and this is Redmi Note 7 Pro custom ROM reviews. After a long time, I'm reviewing this Evolution X with Android version 13. You can see here it's an Android 13 Easter egg. You can see here it's an Android 13 based custom ROM. The Evolution X version is 7.7 Lecon Violet for Redmi Note 7 Pro. Android security patch is March 5th, 2023, and the kernel used here is 4.14.215 Azure Evo Plus kernel, and build date you can see April 1st. This is the latest build available, and Linux status is enforcing, and flashing method will be shown at the end of the video. You can watch that at the end of the video and watch till the end of the video. I will be explaining everything in detail regarding this particular ROM for this Redmi Note 7 Pro, how does it handles in terms of performance, how efficient it is, what is the battery life. Everything will be explained. Stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below guys, and also follow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. And this is typical home screen you get. I just done the CPU throttling test for 100 thread test case. You can see for 15 minutes it is, and maximum scores are around 172, average is 163, and minimum is 149 million GPUs. You can see it's throttled to 91% of its max performance, which is very good, pretty good in my opinion. You can see in the graph everything is green here. It's a stable ROM available for Redmi Note 7 Pro, and this is the typical home screen you get with app drawer. You can see this is the app drawer, and this is a typical home screen with apps here. I disabled the suggestions, and these are the apps currently I am using. Starting with safety net status, I want to show you whether it get passed or not. It will get passed. As you can see, you can use all the payment applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, whatever you want to use, those going to work fine. And this is a typical quick settings panel you get, and you get this slider included with this automatic brightness toggle. That is not the case in some of the ROMs, and you can see this how the typical quick settings panel looks. It's very smooth. You can see, just swipe like this you'll get, and if you want to add any options you'll get in the edit section. There are plenty of options, and sync option is present, and this is how the settings and power button moved down here. You can directly boot into recovery using that. As you can see, advanced restart button is also available. The smoothness in the UI is pretty good in my opinion. The Evolution X 7.7 is very good performance ROM. Now moving into DRM information, you can see level 1 certification, such that you can watch all the OTT application in high definition resolution on this Redmi Note 7 Pro after flashing the Evolution X 7.7 edition with Android 13, and it's an April 1st build, but we'll get the March security patch. And I'm using their Arno build Gcam here. This is the Gcam version I want to show you. As you can see, this is a version I'm using from long time for Redmi Note 7 Pro. I am getting very good results using that Gcam. If you want, you can use any other Gcam ports available for Redmi Note 7 Pro. I'm in the Violet. Now moving into some other settings, I'm in the Geekbench scores I want to show you. Actually, as you can see, single score, this is a Geekbench 6, not a 5 edition. I was thinking, can I found on the Play Store the 5, but I haven't. But this is the score. 636 is single and 1587 is a multi, and you can see link 4.14.215 Azure Evo Plus kernel has been used here, which is pretty good in my opinion. The performance and everything is working fine. Dialer, you get a proper Google dialer, you get a direct video call feature also, and the call recording feature is available, but it will announce the other person that you are recording the call, and calling and everything is fine in my opinion. I hope all the settings explained here. You get basic apps here. If you want, you can uninstall each and every system app too. For example, the Chrome. If I go into information, as you can see, you can disable even the Chrome browser also. Now moving into the actual settings, let me show you this how simple the settings is. By simple, if you look like this, it will be very simple, and you get system update option also here. As you can see, that's the version build, and into gestures, into system navigation, into gesture navigation, you get adjustment of pill length and even the radius also. I like this kind of adjustments given in any custom ROM. If you want to go, you can go to traditional navigation button. Quick tap to start actions, those are present here. Quickly open camera, that's present. One-handed mode is also present, as you can see, working fine, no problem regarding that. Double tap to pulse notification, if you want, you can enable them. Swipe to 3-finger screenshot is also available. As you can see, it's working fine. Playback control, if you want, you can enable that too. These are the settings. Other than that, if I go into Location, again Google Maps and everything is working fine. I have installed Google Maps and tried testing the location. The accuracy is fine, no problem. And privacy settings, you get these kind of options: camera, microphone access. You need to enable them if you want to show you in the home screen like this. Again, security options, you get face and fingerprint unlock, both are working fine here. If I go to more security options, there is even app locker is also pre-installed in this ROM. Let me show you the fingerprint unlock first and then the face unlock. As you can see, the fingerprint unlock is quite fast here. It's not quick enough some other ROMs, but it's still fast, I can say. Let's see the face unlock. Is it? Yeah, face unlock is also very quick in my opinion. It all depends upon how many times you add your face and how clear you add your face in the preview. Then it will be easy for this particular ROM to open using those security options. Fingerprint unlock also, add multiple times your finger, register with that, then it will be easy to unlock your smartphone. It will be a little bit better in my opinion. And regarding other settings, let me move again into settings. Accessibility menu, which is a handy feature. Without actually using the physical buttons, you can actually use this volume up and down toggle, and there is even accessibility settings also. You can wake the assistant from here, and also you can power off recent apps locks in. Even without pulling down the notification toggle, you can use those things. As you can see, other settings also you can use. It's a handy feature. It's available from Android 10 and above, but it's been a little bit tweaked and easy to access in this Android 13. Let's see how it will be in Android 14. If you want to get those kind of videos, hit that subscribe button, guys. Very soon we'll be getting Android 14 builds on this Redmi Note 7 Pro 2. And if you like the video, give it a like. Yes, switch access, other things, if you want, you can adjust the font size and even the display size from here. It will be a little bit bigger. If you want, it will be completely on your personal preference. If you want, you can do that. And display, again dark theme option is given, and good thing is, let me disable this one. Okay, use custom theme. I mean, if you want a monet, let me keep it vivid. Yeah, it will be in pitch black condition right now. If you want, you can play around that really matters me a lot. Again, display size and text, lock screen, extra dim feature is given. Wake on plug, full screen apps. If certain app is not playing in the full screen, you can enable from here using the notch. I mean, will be played in full screen. If that particular app is not playing, then you can use this full screen apps. And other settings like color calibration is not given here, that's missing, but anyhow all the other features has been given. And sound and vibration also, you get basic settings here. Included with this Mi sound enhancer also, you will get, as you can see, you get headphone type and preset from here. No hi-fi audio system has been given. For other devices those options has been given, but here I haven't seen. And wallpapers and style, again you get plenty of Google wallpapers. As you can see, it's still loading. You get all these things. Community lens is also given. Curated feature, other things are also given in this particular ROM. And this is the wallpaper colors. This is the Android 13 visual change, you can see. And this one, the power menu and settings button, mode downwards. Those are the only two visual changes you can experience or you can see in this Android 13. From Android 12, let's say Android 13, what all the other visual changes you'll get. And this combination of colors are also included here. Themed icons, if you want, you can use them. If you want, you can make this themed icons like this. App grid, you get up to 2x2 to 5x5 is available. Shortcuts, if you want, you can add from here. That's handy here. It's rebooting itself. What happened? Okay, what happened? Okay, that's how it is. Now moving into the other settings like display, I already explained. Sound settings and battery here. I missed to see the battery usage. As you can see, battery life is quite good here. You can see I'm using it from last couple of hours. I was setuping the device after this flashing Evolution X ROM 7.7 and running some benchmark and downloading games and other things. This is how the battery life. And I kept for idle also. There is a little bit of idle battery draining is going on, but it's minimal. What I can say, it's quite good. It's a very good efficient ROM. If you use it for a couple of hours, it will be settle to its original position. I mean, the battery efficiency might get better after using of couple of days. That you need to keep in mind. Notifications and other settings remain same, and here you get a lots of customization in Evolver. Again, themes, you get theming settings you can change here. There are a lot more customization you can see on the screen. Luminance, chroma, you can adjust, even tint background you can enable or disable from here. Status bar, again lyric options has been given. Clock style you can change it out. Status bar, logo, position, style you can change from here. Battery cell, battery percent, battery bar, other options you can see on the screen. Quick settings, again you get plenty of customization. Notifications customization is also given. Gestures I already explained. Power menu, again you get these kind of options. Advanced restart button is also given. Lock screens customization, again you get plenty of options like media cover art and cover art filter and ripple effect, fingerprint authentication and error vibrations are also given here. And the button settings, again you get system navigation, those things I already explained. Animations, you get simple animations here. Power menu, there are some animations. In order to tweak the power button, there are some animation. And miscellaneous settings, here you get unlimited photo storage option and unlock high FPS in games. Enable that, you will getting these two options better in my opinion. If you want to see the information of CPU, you can enable from here. This all the miscellaneous settings and customizations available in this Evolution X. What I can say about this ROM is very smooth. You can see this all the recent apps, and I'm using for a couple of days now. It's pretty good. The ROM is, the flashing method will be followed after this gameplay video. Let's see. The ROM is very stable and it's very good. Let's see how it handle the news state. You guys can see it's fine. The PUBG news state is working, because in some of the previous ROMs it's not working. Even in Evolution X 7.1 or something like 6.6, it's not working. Currently it's working fine. You can also see the real-time FPS count. It's with ROM it's given, and you can see the FPS is kept to 60 here, the max. The focusing, yeah, will it get focus? Yeah, that's how it is. You get up to max. Even in HDR you get up to extreme. I'll keep it to max and we'll see how it handles. It is smooth actually. I already tried that. New state is working fine. Even PUBG Mobile and VGM also you can play, but this is a little bit better in my opinion in this low end devices. Currently it's a 675, is a little bit lower I can say. Now it's been long time now. There are a lot more chipsets have been launched now. It's a mid-range one. Treat it as it a mid-ranger only. Don't expect high level gaming like Genshin Impact or anything like that. You can still install them, but still I can recommend to play these kind of games. You can see how the graphics is quite very good in this ROM. And let me increase the volume. Yeah, the volume is also loud enough. It's a single speaker at that time of this launch of smartphone. It's all the single speaker era. But anyhow it's still loud in this ROM. There is no problem. You can also see the real-time FPS count. It is handling well actually. Yeah, it got stuck here. It's game problem. I have seen in plenty of devices in the map. It sometimes happen. Okay, I can see some enemies around me. What I can do is I'll get some weapons. Okay, it says smooth actually. Okay. Hope I can kill him with gun. You need to disable this shoulder buttons, then it will be easy. Okay, and there is one more person. Okay, I got him too. That's how it is. You can see real-time FPS count is also around 40-50 when I was hitting with these two peoples. It's quite a good ROM. You get a lot more customizations also, and it's an Android 13 based custom ROM available for Redmi Note 7 Pro, which is quite a good smartphone, and you're getting good custom ROM support. I can say this is a very good ROM. You can use it as a daily driver. That's the verdict of this video. If you want to use it as a daily driver, go and flash this ROM and you will be never disappointed. The only bug I have noticed in this particular ROM is little bit the device is getting warm enough. Once I use it in gaming and all couple of hours, then it will get a little bit warm. It's not overheating or anything like, but it is getting warm in this particular ROM. If you are that kind of person, you're looking for coolest ROM, and this is not that, but for daily usage it's not getting warm. That's what I noticed. I want to mention it out. That's it guys in this video. If you like the video, give it a like, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.